My first order from Temu. Multifunctional solar lamp. Counts as fishing gear. Let's see here. Small little fishing reel. This thing was less than $3. Can't beat that for sure. A lipless crankbait, 88 cents. I got a tarp and a big old hammock with a mosquito net. That's fishing gear. Catch more fish. Little paddle tails, about 3 inches long. These little small crankbaits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 little crankbaits. Oh, look at these here. These are little shrimp. Paddle tails with big old eyes on them. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, transparent crankbaits. 8-pack. It's a nice little plastic case too. We got one of those little fishing poles. Collapses down, extends out. I think is about 6 foot long. Ah. 500 meters of 7-pound line. A fish scaler and a big pair of tweezers. I don't know what that has to do with fish scaling. Maybe to grab hold of their fins and pull them off. There we go. A little collapsible grill. Once you catch the fish, you gotta cook them over the fire, right? Ah. 50-pack of swivels. Like 50 or 100 little small hooks. 100 1/0 hooks. Oh, these little clear white plastic shrimp with hooks. Take a look at one of these. These things just look like they're going to be awesome for fishing in a creek. Yeah, look at that. It's gorgeous. Ain't no little panfish going to be able to pass that up. Different colored paddle tail, little swim baits. Some 1/8 ounce sinkers. You got packages inside of packages here. I can tell these are jig heads. Yeah. Looks like somewhere between an 1/8 and a 1/16 ounce. And another pack of fishing line. Yep. Another 500 meters of 7-pound line. I got it in blue or yellow. A kilometer of fishing line. That's always good. And then a little electric air pump to inflate a mattress or a little boat or something. So, that's my first Temu order. All opened up. Looks like some good stuff. A little light. Pretty bright. Really lightweight. Huh. That's fancy. Whoop whoop. The sound of the police. So, this is my first order from Temu. Getting some fishing stuff from them. Got 10 mini crankbaits. 8 lipped crankbaits here in a real nice plastic case. A lipless one. 50 pack of little paddle tail swim baits. A 10 pack of ribbed paddle tails. A 10 pack of these little shrimpy things with paddle tails again. A little fake shrimp. Like another 50 fake shrimp with a little greenish color. I got a fish scaler and giant tweezers. A big pack of barrel swivels. 100 1/0 hooks. Some jig heads. A bunch of 1/8 ounce weights. A lot of small hooks. I can use those on my little fake shrimp with a little hook through the tail. Fish will love that, I can tell already. 500 meters of blue line, 500 meters of yellow line, both 7-pound test, which I've never seen in any stores around here. 7 pounds different. A rod and reel combo. Quite a bit of fishing gear. And then the grill, a hammock, a tarp, a light, and an air pump to go with it. Because I like to camp out while I fish, because Arkansas.